What is your commitment on water as the ANC to South Africans?
No, we are not going to answer commitments now. We will answer that when we get to the elections campaign. At the present moment, we are fixing what is broken. We have made a commitment and a pledge to South Africans. So we are on that pledge. So whether or not we will fail on that pledge, you can ask us that question at the moment we launch our campaign. At the present moment, we have convened a working meeting to fix our problems. And PEMI is responding to that from a side of government, what efficiently they are doing. And the ANC expect water to be a top priority of government because it affects our people.
Evido qeda kuyibona yango September ngo-2025 babembuza uMinister uPheme Majordina kodwa kunokuthi aphendule wangenelela umbhalo wathi no abezukukhuluma lutho ngama plans endabeni yokulisenana nendaba yokuthi abantu abanamanzi kodwa bazoyikhuluma uma sekufike isikhathi sekuthi ba campaign for ama elections okusho ukuthi usizi lwakho nokusokola kwakho lokhu wena obhekene nakho kokuthi awunamanzi kuzobe kuyicampaigning tool yabo hayi ngoba kuzixazululo zokuthi kulungiswe indaba zamanzi bazo campaign ukuthi uma nisipha amandla sibuyela siphatha sisithatha ama local government elections sizokwazi ukunilethela amanzi lenkinga enibhekene nayo yamanzi sizoyixazulula ngaleso sikhathi ngoba manje bathi babhizi bayasolve bekunyaka ophelini okulamaviki adlule indaba yamanzi ihlupha iSouth Africa yonke kulamaviki nje adlule ihlupha iSouth Africa yonke izeyadingidwa ngisho eParliament angibanga namdlandla nje ukuthi ngenze video mayelana nalokho ngoba bekulokhu debate ama political parties ikakhulukazi ngoba okuyibona abantu abebelethe idebate iDA kodwa manje uminister unge-ANC i-deputy minister ngathi nge-DA lokho bekungawakho umqondo kimi ukuthi kungathiwa labantu akuzi idebate kodwa yiba abasemandleni yiba abakwazi ukuthatha inqumo lokho nje kukodwa kimi bekungawenza umqondo ingakho ngingayenzanga ivideo kodwa nje kule video ngifisa ukukuvezela ukuthi ANC iza namasu manje ezonilutha ngawo ngoba ifuna ukuthi nina it want you to fall for their trap. It want you to fall for their trap. Kukhona omunye usise ngemzwile we-ANC ekhuluma kahle bekusokokuqala lokho ufikile embalulu ushilo wathi udaba lamanzi abezukulukhuluma kodwa bazekhuluma amasebenza ama-election campaign ngoba usizi lwakho luyi-campaigning tool labo wena unamanzi wena funeka uyome emgoqweni ugade i-water tank ukuthi liyeza kuyaliwa-ke makufika i-water tank ngoba iyafika nayo niba ningi nani isikhathi anibekezelelani kuyaphushwana kwesinye isikhathi ubuye namanzi amancane kwesinye isikhathi ubuye amanzi ungawatholanga inkinga nje ebhekene nabantu ngeke ngabona abantu bekha amanzi emfuleni kunyaka ka2026 ngabona abantu bekha amanzi emfuleni kodwa iANC izokhuluma ngexazululo nanoku-address issue ehlasela abantu yamanzi mase sebe campaigner for ama elections ngicela uzwe la
because now good door to door ngeke uye ne street sheet ubuza abantu ukuthi nina amanzi bazokushaya ubuza abantu ukuthi nihlala nibangaki la kulomkhukhu nabhalisa nini RDP bazonishaya abantu and there's no way we are going to say koko nge-t-shirt manje people are not going to accept a t-shirt bazokubuza ukuthi bayipheke yini why because ourselves we know that people are unemployed. So we need to think out of the box because you are branch leaders. What are we going to do? Because it can't be about talking. By now we were supposed to be knowing comrades. Kuthi masiqala door to door. Angithi nyalo bathe makavuke emengamakwayikwayi ama structures we ima elections angisho. Sekunema-ZT coordinator avukile ama-BT coordinators phumile zonke ipoko ema-wardrobe bathi siye grounding siyokokota
manje they are thinking out of the box cause strategy ebebesenza all along sokuthi kuthiwa no sitsheleni iy'nkinga zenu anabhalisani RDP bhalisani i-ANC is the only party engiyaziyo ekwazi ukukhipha abantu aba-unemployed ibathume ebantwini ukuthi bayobathembisa ukuthi bazothola imisebenzi. This is the only party engiyaziyo ekhipha abantu aba-unemployed beyothembisa abanye abantu aba-unemployed ukuthi bazoba employed. Yabona manje zonke strategy ebebesenza since from 94 kuze kube manje asisabasebenzeli ngoba ukuza kubantu uphethe i-t-shirt ayizukubasebenzela kodwa manje fanele bacabange outside the box. Ngeke ukholwe into abayenzile mabecabanga outside the box. Ngicela ubone la.
We are here from the ANC, One Love, One Family, from the ANC. Ne? ANC, there is life, so One Love means a lot. Ne? Thank you, Siyabonga kumama uBernie Swarts. Ne? Yeah, Deputy Minister.
Deputy Minister uBernie Swarts, ANC PTT member. Uthi uSherry Sonka nani? Yeah, nakasinike siyo.
ANC is thinking outside the box. Manje beze ne-strategy esisha. One love, one family. Really? Azesi ngesikhulume mina nawe. Really? For isikhathi esingakanani? Bazoyenza lento for isikhathi esingakanani? Angifuni ukukhuluma ngamanye ama-political parties la. Angifuni ukukhuluma ngoba ngifuna ukukhuluma nje nge-ANC yodwa. Kodwa kunama-political parties engingawabala. Engingawabala nje ama-political parties. Lawa aphakela abantu daily. Okukwazi kuno bathini kitchen soup chicken kitchen somewhere lapho la kubaleka nale gap. Kodwa kuyazi ukuthi kunogogo nobana abahambayo bayophaka. Abayisebenzisa lonto as a campaigning tool. So ngiyabuza nje really ungaze udeliver vote lakho for ukuthi uphiwe isinkwa. Ngiyaqonda mina kumuntu oswele. Ngiyaqonda mina kumuntu oswele ukuthi lesinkwa senza likhulu kuye. Ngoba isinkwa siyadura masikhuluma iqiniso. Azi noma u20 rand noma 21 rand ngoba ngijwayelanga usithenga ngaso. Kodwa kumuntu oswele ngiyayi-understanda mina lento ukuthi mabefika labantu nesinkwa at least kuzokwenza umehluko. Kodwa sike sikhuluma iqiniso. Uma ngabe bebekukhathalele why befika manje? Angithi sizwile ukuthi iIEC kusangevika ngazi iviki kuJune. I'm not sure kahle ngama date. Kuzovula ukuthi abantu abaregister babhalise for ukuvota. Okusho ukuthi ukuvota sekuseduze kungenzeka sivote ngoNovember. Asikakazi kahle ama date awakaphumi. Kodwa kulonyaka kuyavotwa for ama local government elections. So sisazobona imikhuba eminingi ngabe engakaze sayibona. Kodwa ngiyacela mina abantu bakithi. Ake sivotele abantu esifuna ukuthi balethe inguquko empilweni zethu. Yabona into enhle ngama local government elections ile ukuthi abantu abazovotelwa khona siyabaza. Lo muntu ozombona kuyibhodi lakho okuzothi wamvotela ufuna uba yikhansela or mayor uyamazi. Uma ungamazi uzihluphelani ngaye. Ngoba umuntu eningamazi emphakathini nine meeting esekuhlaleni akekho, ninenkinga yamanzi, ninenkinga kagesi, ninenkinga zani kunomfana otshontshe kuphi kubanjwe usibanibani akaparticipate lutho, kunenkinga yobugebengu asihlanganeni njengamalungu omphakathi sibone ukuthi senze njani akekho bese guqe lapho sekafuna ukuba ufuna ukuniphatha. Abantu efuneka sibavotele ama local government elections mahle ngalokho. Asike sivotele labantu laba esazi ukuthi bazokwenza inguquko empilweni zethu. Asiyeke ukuvotela amaqembu kulokho asivotela umuntu. Kulokho sizovotela umuntu ngoba abantu abazolethwa phambi kwethu abaqokwe ama political parties siyabazi. Uyabona nje angenza umzekelo. I-mayoral candidate aseKuruleni for i-Action SA uXolani Khumalo siyamazi. I-mayoral candidate aseJohannesburg for i-DA uHelen Zille, Kokozile siyamazi. Noma abanye amaqembu angakasitsheli ngoba nama-mayoral candidate wabo. Kodwa siyabazi. So sekukuwe ukuthi udecide ukuthi lona right lona akekho right kukuwe. Ngicela ukuyibamba le video kodwa nje bani bakithi ngiyazi mina ukuthi kumuntu oswele lesinkwa senza omkhulu umehluko kodwa buka ngale kwesinkwa. Uma lo muntu eqeda ukuthatha ioffice uyobuya mgcina ngaleyo langa nalesinkwe senza umehluko kuwe namhlanje ngeke usasithola. Uzwile bathini? They must think outside the box. Ngoba ukuza ngama t-shirt beze nama slogans bezokuthembisa imisebenzi ayisasebenzi lonto leyo. Mfethu. Ngicela ukuyibamba le video. Mina nawe sesidibana kwi video elandelayo.